Good morning, children. Welcome to virtual class. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale, and today we are going to learn maths of standard 3rd, and the topic name is number work. Students, we are going to play with the numbers. You will have fun with the numbers. Students, you know the numbers 1 to 100 to write and to read. You all have learned that one in standard 1st and 2nd, correct? Now, today we are going to revise this one first, and then after that we will proceed further. Okay, here you can see the missing numbers. 1 to 100 numbers are given and some numbers are missing. Now we have to fill that boxes. See there, 1, 2, then comes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there, then comes 8, after that 9, then 10. Yes, I will not fill all the boxes because you know how to fill, because you know the numbers thoroughly from 1 to 100. See here, after 65 comes 66, then 67. Okay, some more. After 88, that is 89. And here, after 97, that is 98, 99 and 100. I know that you all know this. Okay, so we will proceed further. Yes, number column is there and number name. Now, here number is there. This is 35. 30 and 5. The number name is 35. You must know the spelling. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30 and 5. 35. Okay. Second one is 79. See this. Okay. Then third, 80 plus 8, that is 88. Then next one is 90 and 9 together make 99. Next one, 50 and 5 makes 55. See, like this you have to write. Okay, shall we move further? Now see this, here also 1 to 100 numbers are there. And can you say, here some questions are there. See, first one, the smallest one digit number. See the table. Which is the smallest one digit number? It should be one digit, 1. One digit, that is the smallest one is nothing but 1. Now come on, tell me this. The greatest one digit number. The digit should be only 1. Can you see there? Yes, you are right. That is 9. 9 is the greatest one digit number. Then we'll move to the next question. The smallest two digit numbers. Now the digit should be 2. The smallest two digit number is nothing but 10. Correct. Because 2 digits are there. And after 9, 10 comes. That is the 2 digit number. So it is the smallest 2 digit number. Then which is the greatest 2 digit number? See properly the table. Yes, correct. 99 is the greatest 2 digit number because after that comes 100 and 100 has 3 digits. Right? So our greatest 2 digit number is 99. Now dear students, see this. This is 1/10. means 10 sticks tied together with a string, then it became 110. Means there are 10 sticks are there in one bundle. Now how many bundles you can see in the second frame? There are 10 bundles of matchsticks are there, and each bundle has 110. So how many it became total? See here students, 10 tens, nothing but 100. 10 tens are 100. Okay, right? 10 times tens bola to means that is 100. Okay, more example we will see. See dear students, here you can see 5 notes of 20. How many? See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many notes are there? 5 notes of 20 rupees each. What is the total of that one? Yes, you are right. That is 100 rupees. How we will write 100? Like this, rupees 100. It became a 3-digit number. Why we call this 100? Do you know? Because here in the unit place we can see 0. No unit is there. And what about the tens place? No tens. Again 0 is there. And in the 100 place 1 is there. So we call this as 100. Got this? The name is, we can call this as also century. For 100 we call century. He scored a century in the cricket. Means century means that is 100 runs. Got this? And separately we can say 100 rupees. 100 means that is also 100. Another one is 10 tens. 10 times tens means that is also 100. Remember that. Okay. Now students, see this. This is ones because one box is there and separated. See how many are there? 8. Correct? 4 plus 4, that is 8. They are up to 9 we call them as ones or units. Then this is tens because in one group there are 10 boxes. Here we can see 3 tens. Got this? In 110 there are 10 boxes. So here we can say that here 3 tens are there. And see this, here 10 tens are together, so it became 100. Got this? Ones up to 9, when it becomes, when we add 1 to that 9, it converts into tens. And 9 up to 99, up to 90 it is tens. When we add 1 to 99, then it becomes 100. Got this students? So this is the 100 box, a bigger box. Then these are tens and on the right side they are units. Now we will fill this box. See here ice cream sticks are there in the first box. We have to count them and we have to write. You can see there the 100 ice cream sticks tied together and 10 ice cream sticks tied together and some single ice cream sticks also are there. Okay. Now first one we will go through. Here how many hundreds are there? How many bundles are there of 100? 1. Can you see there? 1 bundle of 100 is there. And what about the tens? No. No bundle is there of tens. And units? 2. Two separate ice cream sticks are there. So units 2. Now can you write the number in figures? Okay, see this 102. In tens place 0 is there. So 102. We have to put 0 in between 1 and 2. And how we will write the number in words? See this 102. What is the spelling for 100? HUNDRED. Got this? Okay. Now we'll move to the second one. Yes, hundreds bundle, that is only one is there. Tens bundle, one is there. And units, 0. No units are there in the second row. Now numbers in figures, very easy, that is 110. And the same number we have to write in the words, that is 110. Shall we move to the third row? Okay. Now how many hundreds are there? One bundle. How many tens are there? One bundle. And how many units are there? We will count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 units are there. Together it made 115. So we will write the same in the words, that is 115. Got this? Now we finish the table. Now one more table is there. See here. Here objects are there. Again same, we have to write number in figures and number in words. Now first one, see there. Hundreds bundle is there. Tens bundles are there. And units are there. Now please go through this. Directly we have to write the number in figures. 100 bundle is there and 5 tens are there and 3 units are there. So it became 153. And the number in words, same thing we will write in words. 153. Okay, we'll move to the second one. 100 bundle is there and 7 tens are there and 2 units. So that is 172. In words, 172. Third one. Yes, there are 200 bundles are there. So it became 200 and tens 5 are there. So it is 250. Here 250. In the last one, there are 4 bundles and 3 units. That is 403. Yes, dear children. Again, we have completed our second table. Now, here make 3-digit numbers using each of the given digits only once. They will give us 3 digits. And they ask us to make 3-digit numbers. How many you can do that? That much you have to make. That should be 3-digit numbers. And the condition is you have to use the given digit only once. Here I will show you a method. See dear students, first we will take 5 first, then in clockwise direction we will go, then like this. Okay. See, first 5 we will write, then we will write 3, then we will write 8. It will become easy. Otherwise it will become mess for us. So then second number we will write like this. First again we will take 5. Then we will change the place of second and third digit. Got this? Means 5 we use 2 times in the first place. Then we will take 3 in the first place. Like this clockwise direction, if we move then it will become very easy to write and to make the 3-digit numbers here. Okay, now first one we will go through. See this 748. See in the clockwise direction. Then comes 784. I change the places of 8 and 4. Now I will take 4 as the first one. 487. Now 478. Now I will take 8 as the first one. First 8 in first place. Then 874. Then 847. If you go like this, it will not confuse. See, same thing here. 630, then 603, second one 306 and 360. Next is 063 and 036. Is that right, students? No, the last two digits, they are wrong, because if 0 comes in the first place, then it has no value at all. So it became 63 and the last one became 36, because that became 2-digit number. So this is wrong. Here if 0 is there, we can write only 4 3-digit numbers. Remember this. Okay. Is that clear? Now see this. You have to write the missing numbers here also, and you have to read it aloud. See here 103, after that 104 comes, 211, then 212, 322, then 323. Am I right? 437, 549, then 550, 655, 769, 871, 988. Got this? Here we have completed up to 990. That is 3-digit numbers only. Yes, students, see this is the last one. Now 3 strips are given, and here some. Observe the number strip above and fill the boxes. See here, boxes are given. See this. Go to first one. Here the first box is empty and the second box is written 104. Means you have to choose the left side number, that is 103. See the strip above. And if right side box is empty, we have to choose the right side number, that is nothing but 110. Now again left side number, that is 99. Now here in the second fill up boxes, middle number is given. You have to write the before number and the after number. See this, 215 and 217, 221, 223, 405 and 407. Got this? Good. Now in the last one, before number is given and after number is given. We have to write the middle one. 223, 224, then 225. 408, 409, 410, 399, then 400 and 401. Okay. Now student, this is from your textbook. You have to complete this, that is page number 11. Okay. Thank you students for being with me. Please do the homework, that is page number 11. And stay home, stay safe.